Are you tired of watching boring YouTube videos that don't have anything visually interesting in them? Do you want to captivate your audience with absolutely stunning footage that tells a story? Well, look no further, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your videos to the next level with the power of B-roll. So before we jump into what is B-roll, my name is Kirsten with Six Figure Business Coaching, and I'm the co-creator of the Marketing VA Advantage. My business partner and I help local and online businesses leverage video marketing with a marketing virtual assistant doing most of the work. And I'm so excited to have you here today. If you find this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified when we post new videos. So first of all, what is B-roll? In film and television production, B-roll, or B-reel as it is often called, is supplemental or alternative footage intercut with the main shot. So B-roll is used to make our videos more interesting and to help us to tell stories. So if you do a lot of talking head videos like I do, if you're a business coach or an attorney, a CPA, a financial planner, if you're someone that doesn't have something visually gorgeous to show, like an interior designer who can show off a beautiful kitchen or a gorgeous living room. For those of us that do not have that kind of great content, we're going to talk about using B-roll that you can actually purchase or find for free. And we're going to talk about some of the advantages of using stock B-roll. High quality footage or stock B-roll footage is often shot by a professional videographer and is often a very high quality, meaning it can help enhance the overall video production of your videos. The second thing to consider is that it can save you time and money. If you don't have time, equipment, or the budget to shoot your own B-roll footage, using stock footage can be cost effective and time saving. And like I said earlier, there's a lot of fantastic B-roll that you can get for free. And if you do want something specific, you can always find it online and purchase it for your use. The third thing to think about is the variety of footage. If you're using stock B-roll footage, they have everything you could ever want under the sun out there. So it doesn't matter if you're in the business industry, if you're in an animal industry, if you're into nature, if you're into cooking, there is incredible high quality B-roll footage out there for any industry. So you can always find something that will work for your purposes. B-roll is absolutely fantastic for storytelling. So even if you really enjoy going out and shooting some of your own B-roll footage, there may be times when you just can't do that. Like if you're talking about a beautiful night in Paris, or you want to have drone footage over the Grand Canyon, that's something that you may not be able to just snap your fingers and get. So you have so many options that can help you really paint a picture and tell a story that you want to tell inside of your videos. And the last reason I want to give you for using stock B-roll footage is the fact that it can provide consistent imagery. So when you want your videos to have a great look and feel, consistency is important. And by using high quality B-roll footage that was shot by a professional can really up-level your videos like we talked about in the first point, but it can also help bring a consistency about your videos as you move forward. So another great reason to consider using stock footage in your videos. In the comments below, let me know, are you open to using stock footage B-roll in your videos? Now, shooting your own B-roll can be a great way to go, especially if you're in an industry that has incredible visuals. Perhaps you're a yoga instructor, or you own a med spa, or you're a real estate agent, or an interior designer. Then shooting some or all of your B-roll might be ideal for you. So let's talk about how you can do that. So the first thing you want to do to make your B-roll successful is to plan ahead. Think about the shots that you want to create, think about all of the different angles, think about the lighting, and all of the things that could come into play when you're shooting that particular piece of B-roll footage. When you're shooting your B-roll, also make sure to use a tripod or a gimbal, because you want that footage to be very smooth. You don't want it to be jumpy. And something as simple as a tripod can really help you up the quality of your B-roll footage. So the third thing is natural light. So whenever it's possible, if you can use natural lighting when you're shooting your B-roll footage, it's going to give you a much more natural look and feel, and it'll be less harsh. So again, think about when you're planning what time of day would be ideal so that you could take advantage of natural lighting. Another thing to take into consideration is getting creative with your camera. Do you need to zoom in? Do you need a certain angle or tilt on the lens? Making sure that you're capturing your B-roll in an interesting way is going to increase the quality, and it's going to keep people watching. Now, my fifth tip is always shoot more footage than you think you'll need. So when you're out and about shooting your B-roll footage, make sure you take your time, you get plenty of footage, because you never know what's going to happen where there's a little wobble or light reflects off something. So making sure that you get more B-roll footage than you think you'll need is important. So when you get back and start editing, you have exactly the shot you had in mind. You can also consider using props in your B-roll footage. It can help tell the story and it can make it more visually interesting. Remember, when you're shooting your own B-roll, have fun with it. You are the director, you're the creator, you're often the videographer, so you have a picture in your mind of what you want. So have fun with it, knowing you're making your videos more interesting and you're gonna get more watch time. And the final thing to consider is it doesn't have to be one or the other. You can always use stock footage. You can also shoot your own B-roll footage. You can have a mix of the two. And if you're interested in having better quality video production, you might want to consider hiring a marketing virtual assistant who can help you with all of this. Whether it's finding your B-roll, whether it's editing the B-roll footage that you shot yourself, or helping you organize it so you can find it when you need it for future videos. If that's something you're interested in, we have a free guide called Double Your Income with a Marketing Virtual Assistant, and I'll drop it in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.